चोर और पुलिस की सिर्फ दुश्मनी होती है।
सर्कस वाला हूं, सिर्फ आंखों को नहीं, मौत को धोखा देते हैं रोज।
Amir Khan has blinked again. His Rajkumar Hirani magnum opus PK was due to release on June 6th until a terse announcement informed the world that the release date is shifted to Christmas Day with no reason assigned. That was the day that a film Ranbir Kapoor and Anushka Sharma fans cared about. Anurag Kashyap's Bombay Velvet was due to release on that date along with a film that nobody cares about, Welcome Back. Bombay Velvet stuck to its guns and stayed put to its Christmas date. Welcome Back shifted back to December 19. Vinod Chopra Films and Rajkumar Hirani Films in association with Disney India confirmed that PK will release on 19th December 2014. This means that Team Welcome Back, who fondly thought that they had gotten rid of their Christmas bedfellow, are now stuck with it again. Amir, Vinod and Hirani may be big names in the industry, but this constant chopping and changing of dates in a crowded release calendar are rapidly losing them goodwill in the industry.
Life हो out of control, होठों को करके गोल, होठों को करके गोल, सीटी पर जाके पोल।